In a small village in ancient China, there lived a young girl named Mulan. She was brave, kind-hearted, and full of curiosity. Mulan had always loved hearing stories about warriors and their adventures, and she dreamed of one day becoming a hero herself. In the village, there was news that the emperor was calling upon every family to send one man to join the army and defend the country against invaders. Mulan's father, Zhou, was getting older, and she worried about his well-being if he went to war. She knew that she had to do something to protect her family. One night, as the moon shone brightly in the sky, Mulan made a courageous decision. She cut her long black hair and disguised herself as a young man. She took her father's armor and sword and set off to join the army in his place. Her heart was filled with determination as she left her home behind. Mulan arrived at the training camp, where she met other soldiers in training. Captain Li, a wise and skillful warrior, was in charge of their training. Mulan found it challenging to keep up with the physical demands, but she never gave up. She practiced day and night, pushing herself to become stronger and faster. During their training, Mulan developed a deep friendship with a soldier named Chen. Chen was funny, loyal, and always had a smile on his face. They encouraged each other and became inseparable companions. Mulan was grateful for Chen's support, and together they faced every challenge with courage and determination. As time passed, news arrived that the enemy was approaching the imperial city. The army was called to defend the kingdom, and Mulan's skills would be put to the ultimate test. The soldiers marched toward the battlefield, and Mulan's heart pounded with a mixture of fear and excitement. In the midst of the battle, Mulan's quick thinking and bravery saved her fellow soldiers from a dangerous ambush. She fought fiercely, using her intelligence and agility to outwit the enemy. Her actions inspired those around her, and they fought with renewed strength and determination. The battle raged on, but Mulan's true identity was revealed when she was wounded. Captain Li and the other soldiers were surprised to discover that their brave comrade was actually a young woman. At first, there was silence, but soon admiration and respect filled the air. Captain Li recognized Mulan's exceptional skills and her dedication to protecting her family and country. Word of Mulan's heroic deeds reached the emperor's ears, and he requested her presence in the imperial city. Mulan stood before the emperor, her heart pounding with nervousness. The emperor commended her for her bravery and selflessness, and he bestowed upon her the highest honor. Mulan returned home as a celebrated hero. Her family and the entire village welcomed her with open arms. Mulan's father, Zhou, was filled with pride for his daughter's courage and strength. Mulan had not only protected her family, but had also become an inspiration to all. From that day forward, Mulan's story echoed throughout the land, reminding everyone that bravery and determination could overcome any obstacle. Mulan's tale taught children to believe in themselves, to stand up for what they believed in, and to have the courage to follow their dreams, no matter how challenging they might be. And so, the legend of Mulan lived on, inspiring future generations to be true to themselves and to embrace the hero within.